This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. I am so excited for today's video because okay, listen, I can explain. Pop Mart released the Have a Good Run series, and they are so cute. They are so cute, but like, girl, no, like the whole set, like it astronomical. I was like, I can't, I'm not gonna do this. No, 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 no. And then I ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Okay, I know. In theory, don't shut up. Okay, in theory, I could have just got the whole set, but I didn't. But anyway, I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So I ordered all of these from Pop Mart, and I can't wait to open them. So they just arrived. They kind of arrived a couple at a time, which was a little confusing because I purchased everything in one set, but like 2 came on this day and then 4 came on the other day, and I was like, okay, whatever, who cares? Fine. Maybe something happened. But they all arrived, my babies, and I cannot wait to open them. So, how cute. I love anything Lunar New Year, and although the horse is not for me, I am an ox baby, which, oh my God, I cannot wait for this in like ox form. Okay, that said, I love Lunar New Year stuff, and I just could not resist. So, here's the deal. This is what I want. I really want Demu, okay? I want Demu. I want Crybaby. I want Twinkle Twinkle. I want Labubu. You know, Skull Panda is fine. Like, she's cute, but like, she's not my favorite. Hirono is kind of cute too, but like, I kind of like the Hirono teddy bear ones more. And Molly, I just don't care. I mean, she's cute, but like, I don't want it. So I feel incredibly lucky and I feel good today that I at least got what I wanted. Famous last words. So these are in no particular order, okay? This is what they look like. We're just gonna open them, and I'm just going to pray to the Pop Mart gods that we got this. So, oh. Some of them are kind of heavy, some of them are not. Oh, a secret, I don't like the secret. It's okay, but like, I don't care. Okay, so, I mean, she's kind of cute though, I'm not gonna lie, she's kind of cute. Okay, so you know what? All right, let's start with this one. There we go, let's start with this one. All right, I am going to say, what do I think this is gonna be? I think it's kind of heavy. Watch this be Skull Panda. I think it's gonna be Skull Panda. I'm lukewarm about that, but let's find out. Oh! See, I don't love the bags, but okay. Bitch! I'm gonna go play the lottery today. Oh, girl, what happened? Why do your eyes look like that? You know what I love about Skull Panda? You can move the eyes, but when they come out all looking like this, I'm like, who's your mother? Who's your mother? I can't. You are not my child. Oh, she is pretty. Also, why is she like this? Okay. Girl, get it together. This is kind of wild. Holy shit, this is cute though. Okay, listen, babe, I'm sorry. She's cute. She is cute. She's what is this? Joanne fabric. What the fuck is that? Okay. All right, hold on. You get a little card. Oh, the card's sick. Okay, look at that. I don't know if, can you even see that? That's pretty cool looking. Okay. Listen, you weren't my favorite, but like, I kind of like you. I kind of appreciate you. I kind of appreciate you. All right. Done. Next. Oh my God. Can I tell you, single boxes are so much fun. And listen, I love full collections of things, but it's not the same excitement. Because then like you're secret hunting. But this style, so much more stakes. All right, let's see. Wait. I think this feels good. This feels good. Feels lighter. I think this is gonna be my Demu. Demu? Oh, it's the cutest one in my opinion, and I really hope this is Demu. Come on, Demu. Oh. What we're not doing in 2026 is getting duplicates, bitch. Okay, no. Oh, okay. Okay. We got twins. Okay. Her eyes are a little bit more straight, so that's cool. Yeah, I mean, quality-wise, her head's a little bit heavier. That's kind of crazy because this one feels so much lighter than this one. Maybe she got some gold up in her head. I don't know. But Mama got twins. Erin, I'm gonna force this upon you. Hope you want it. All right, so here's the card. Fuck you. Okay. let's try this again. All right. I'm not gonna let that determine the rest of today. I'm not. All right. We're gonna try it. I feel like this is gonna be, I'm gonna shoot my shot. I think this is gonna be Labubu. I think this is gonna be Labubu. Let's see if I'm right. No, it's Cry Baby. Oh, she is so wild. Oh my God. Oh, sweet angel baby. Look at her. Hi. Hi, Love Muffin. Oh, you're so cute. That is so cute. Oh my God. Oh my God, you are so cute. Her hair is it's a little wild, so we're gonna have to like comb it down. But oh my God, I like the little flowers in her hair. Oh, she's so cute. My child. Oh, I love her. Okay, you're so cute. Let's look at the card. Oh, that's fun. Oh, she's cute. So this one, what's your name? Your sweet love. Oh. What is, I was about to say, what is this bitch's name? She's Sharp Wisdom. Oh my God, okay. Okay, listen, that's a win. I didn't get a duplicate. All right, so let's try this one. All right, I think, really, I want a Labubu. I want a Labubu. Give me a Labubu. Give me the Demu, but I think this one's gonna be the Labubu. If I don't get, don't, shut up, Theresa, don't put it out there. All right, I'm gonna shut up. I think this is gonna be a Labubu. Bitch. Oh, my son's home. Oh, my dog, whatever. I love you. Oh, you are so cute. Shut the up. Shut up. I'm sorry, ma'am. You are so cute. Oh, and your arms, they move. Okay, and then I can put them down. Oh, the tail. Fuck me. Oh, I love you. Oh, you are so cute. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah! All right, so Labubu. Oh, I feel so good today. That one's called Happy Family. I'm so sweet. Okay, so here's the Happy Family. This is the Happy Family card. Oh, that's so fun. Oh my God, I love you, bud. Oh, this one's so cute. Oh, this one's like exceeding my expectations. Oh my God, yes. All right, listen, we're down to 2 boxes. Already got a duplicate. They both feel really light. I want fucking Demu so badly. Okay, I feel like this is, watch this be Hirono. I want this to be Dino. I want this to be Dino, okay? Hopefully this is Demu. Oh no! Oh, it's Twinkle, Twinkle, my son. Oh, you are so cute. Look at you, bud. Oh my God, I love you. Oh, this is so fun. Can I tell you? I really am a huge fan of Twinkle Twinkle, like, duh, no shit. But I've been getting more into like the plush pendants. So I did actually pick up some of the newer ones that just launched or whatever. By the time that you see this, I think they've already been out for like a week or 2. But it's like Valentine's Day or like close to it. Anyway, so cute. And again, I bought individual boxes. I hope I didn't regret that decision now thinking about it, because so far I've gotten 1 duplicate. Why did I say that? Because I just jinxed myself. Okay. Point is, I love when they have the little plastic faces. Although I will say, when they do have like the plush face, they are cute too, but sometimes Twinkle Twinkle looks like an alcoholic. He's a little red in the face. But this one's so sweet. Oh my God, I love him. So this tail doesn't have like a little guy, not like the Labubu one. I love the color though. I love. This is cute. Like, I love the little details on him. We have a little Twinkle Twinkle card. How fun. So Twinkle Twinkle is called Best Dream. Bitch, I love that. All right, so we have 1 more box. I really want Demu so badly. I just want Demu. Please give me Demu. I will be happy. I will eat the cost of the Skull Panda if I could just have Demu. I think this is gonna be Demu. If it's not Demu, it's probably gonna be Baby Molly, or it's gonna mean it's gonna be another Skull Panda. Watch. If it's another Skull Panda, I am quitting the internet, like straight up. I'm just gonna check myself in to nothing. I'm gonna find a bunker and I'm gonna live underground, and I'm just gonna deal with it. All right, that's what's gonna happen to me. Actually, that seems kind of lonely. I don't want to do that. Okay, we're not gonna do that, but I'm just going to like unplug, just unplug. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I'm just gonna unplug, all right? I'm gonna pretend it's the 90s all over again. Okay, Come on, Demu. Fuck you. Oh, you're so cute though. But f you though. Come on, man. Come on. No. Okay, listen. Oh, you're cute though. I guess I'm gonna give one to my mom. I know she's gonna want one. I hate being such a good daughter. It's so gross. Here's the card. Nobody cares. Okay, listen. Should I have purchased a full set to lock in that Demu purchase? Probably, but I didn't because listen, I like sets. I do. I love sets. But like I wasn't 100% sold on the set, right? Because there were some that I was like, I really don't give a f. And unfortunately, I got some of those that I didn't really give a f about. So, I mean, it is what it is. I had fun though. This was awesome. Not really. No, I love doing this stuff. It's fun. It's cool. Is it cool? No, probably not. Actually, it is cool to me. I love this shit. I'm very happy. I just wish I didn't get 2 dupes. But shit happens, whatever. Listen, if this is the worst of my problems right now, I will take it. Anyway, oh God. Now I want to hear from y'all. Actually, wait, should I rank them? Let me rank them quickly. Out of the cuteness that I have, because otherwise Demu would be number 1. I'm gonna say, you know, listen, I think Labubu is probably the cutest one out of this little bunch. I would say little Labubu, you're number 1. And then, ooh, you know what? I do Skull Panda she is growing on me. I mean, she is a creature from Joanne's Fabric, you know, but I do like her, but I don't think she's number 2. I would say, both. Just both. No, I think, I don't know. They're both number 2. Can't they be tied? No, I have to pick one. Oh God, okay. End of the world, they're gonna like blow up the planet. I need to pick one. I think Crybaby. I think I like Crybaby a little bit more. Then it would be my boy Twinkle Twinkle. Yeah, I feel good about, hold on. No, I'm gonna lock it in. And then I guess it would be this bitch. My twins. Okay. I think that's where I lie. Do let me know down below if you have this series and what do you think of it, and do you love it, do you hate it? I didn't pick up any of the little figures because I only want 2 of them, and I think there's like 50 variations, so I'm not going to be fun about it. I'm going to, fuck it. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Next time I go into a Pop Mart store, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna shake around, and the one I really want is Pucky or Twinkle Twinkle. Like those are the 2 that I really want, or Labubu, I think. I think those were like my 3 target ones. I'm gonna buy 2 boxes. If I don't get it in that poll, then I'm just gonna be a bitch and go on eBay and just go to try to find my boy Pucky, all right? So that's what I'm gonna go do. But this series though, I think is really fun. And again, I love Lunar New Year stuff, so this makes me really happy. And I think, while I wasn't incredibly lucky today, I feel like I'm gonna have a good day. So I love that for me. Now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have this series and if you feel the same way. Let me know because I love hearing from you. And also, do you agree with my ranking? And without further ado, I want to say a special thank you to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your adorable little delicious faces, and I'll see you little garbage cans real soon. Bye.